Hello, this is a tutorial on how to use the CAE Learning Space Enterprise Update. To sign into your account, select the email box and type in your email. Type in the password in the password box associated with the email and select Login. Or you can select Legacy Login, select the category to which you are assigned between SP, Faculty and Staff, or Learner. Click on the name box, a drop-down will appear, and a list of names will populate. You can search your name through the list, or you can type your name. Once you type, the list will then filter out all of the possibilities. Click on the name you want, select the password box, type in the password associated with the account, and select Login. If you are having issues signing into Learning Space, please contact local IT and the issue will be resolved.